You need to find me people who would match these WWE superstars. ठीक है? Who's international cricket's The Undertaker?
I can name myself, but I'm not old, so I have a perfect choice. I think Undertaker has done everything in cricket. He is the god of WWE, and there is only one god in cricket, and that is Sachin Tendulkar, sir.
This next segment is called Free Hit. इस segment में मैं आपसे कुछ questions पूछूंगी, and it is going to be a blend of both the loves of your life, WWE and cricket. All right, are you ready?
Absolutely.
Here's your first question. टीम इंडिया के एक ऐसे क्रिकेटर का नाम बताइए जो WWE में भी बहुत सक्सेसफुल होते अगर उन्होंने ट्राई किया होता.
I think Virat Kohli, just because of his passion and aggression, वो never give up attitude जो है उनका, I think he would have been a multi-time champion in WWE.
All right, recently we saw a Ranji Trophy match where Mandeep Singh celebrated his century in typical Brock Lesnar fashion. Is there any other cricketer you know who just absolutely loves WWE?
I've seen Yuzvendra Chahal really likes The Rock. He has
also
that.
Roman Reigns. He's a huge Roman Reigns fan as well.
He is a Roman Reigns fan. So I think चहल भी अगर कुछ कर सकते हैं, अगर वो भी विकेट लें, कुछ करें, तो I think he can also celebrate like some superstar.
Wonderful. Alright, जितने बड़े आप WWE के फैन हैं, उतने ही बड़े आप रजनीकांत के फैन भी हैं. We saw you celebrate in true Rajnikant style. The last time I think you hit a century. So if you were to put on a WWE persona to celebrate your next century, which WWE superstar would you pick and how would you do it? And you can't get out of this one.
Well, honestly, I don't celebrate much when I'm on the field. You know, the thing that I did for Rajni sir was purely out of love because it was his birthday. And when I got that 100, I really wanted to dedicate that 100 to him. And you must have seen I don't celebrate much, but I won't mind when I can one up a batter by my bowling and I can pick his wicket. I can do the "you can't see me" thing to him. I think that is something that I can try.
You know what? We're gonna keep our eye out for that, and we really hope we see that moment very soon.
You will absolutely.
Is this a promise?
Yes, you can consider that to be.
Amazing, amazing. So the next time we see you take a wicket and you do that, we know that you've dedicated this to the WWE universe, especially here in India.
Absolutely.
Wonderful. Okay, तो ये question जो है बहुत ही interesting है. You need to find me people who would match these WWE superstars. ठीक है? Who's international cricket's Roman Reigns?
Roman Reigns. I think Roman Reigns is a top tier guy, the top guy in WWE. You know, he's dominating everywhere. So if I had to pick one, it has to be Virat Kohli. He's dominated
That's a
the
great
game.
pick. Brock Lesnar.
Brock Lesnar, I think Andre Russell. You know, purely because of the dominance, the presence. It's more like the beast. We do call him the beast. So Andre Russell for me is the Brock Lesnar.
What about The Undertaker?
I can name myself, but I'm not old, so I think I have a perfect choice. I think Undertaker has done everything in cricket. He is the god of WWE, and there is only one god in cricket, and that is Sachin Tendulkar, sir.
That's a great match and a very, very difficult match to put together as well at the same time. All right, what about John Cena?
John Cena, I think Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma is the perfect choice for John Cena. You know, he does his thing. Everyone loves him. The beautiful character work. I think Rohit Sharma is the John Cena of cricket.
What about Randy Orton?
Randy Orton has been. He's already a legend. I think he's been a legend killer as well. So if I had to.
He's also the Viper. He's also the bad guy on a lot of occasions.
I think if that's the case, then I can think of Ricky Ponting as Randy Orton. You know, whatever he's done, he's an absolute legend of the game. He's done so much for the game, and that's what Randy Orton is doing, giving so much to WWE. So I think Ricky Ponting would be my choice.
I love the diplomatic answer. It's amazing. Rey Mysterio.
Pocket-sized dynamite. He also is a legend, and I can think of Rahul Dravid sir when it comes to Rey Mysterio. You know, being silent, doing his thing, and still dominating the circuit. So
Right now,
Rahul
the
Dravid,
only
sir.
thing I can think of is I have a mental image of Rahul Dravid just jumping the ropes and doing all of those swings.
Especially after that cred ad.
Totally. What about Kane?
Kane again is a legend. He's achieved so much, and now I hear that he is into administration. You know. So I can think of Saurav Ganguly that way. I'm a huge fan of Dada, so I think Dada's character will suit.
Wonderful. And finally, Seth Rollins and Kevin Owens as a jodi.
Well, if I might, then me and Shreyas Iyer would make a good combo, and I will be playing alongside Shreyas in KKR. So I think this combo would be good.
So which one are you going to take?
That you shouldn't be asking me that. I am Seth Rollins.
I am Seth Rollins. I love that. So you are the Undertaker and you are Seth Rollins.
Undertaker.
Amazing.
Undertaker is someone that I look up to. Seth Rollins, someone that I can live. So I think I can be Seth Rollins.
Fabulous, fabulous. All right, I'm going to show you a very special picture right now, Venkatesh. First, let's take a look at the picture. So this is Carmelo Hayes. He's a WWE NXT superstar, and the internet completely went into a tizzy when they saw this image because they thought he looks so similar to Hardik Pandya. आपका क्या कहना है?
Which one is Hardik Pandya in this?
Good one.
That is a great picture. I think.
क्या ये कोई कुंभ के मेले में बिछड़े हुए भाई है? आपको लगता है?
कुंभ का मेला उस साल अगर अमेरिका में लगा हो
तो शायद
तो हो सकता है, बट आई थिंक एग्जैक्ट रिजेम्बलेंस है, काफ़ी सिमिलैरिटीज है, तो आई थिंक कार्मेलो को काफ़ी पॉपुलैरिटी मिल सकती है बिकॉज हार्दिक पांड्या इज द सुपरस्टार ऑफ अ गेम, यू नो, ही इज सो पॉपुलर अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. तो आई रियली वांट टू नो कि ये फ्यूचर में क्या करते हैं, एंड आई होप दैट ही बिकम्स अ सुपरस्टार जस्ट लाइक हार्दिक पांड्या.
I really would love a moment when the two of them could actually meet.
Absolutely, it would be fun.
What a great moment, right? The perfect blend of our worlds. It feels like your heart is still broken.
कुछ
वो
अपना
उभर नहीं
गया
पाए
है,
हैं
हाँ.
इस loss से.
That was really tragic.
Absolutely life changing
For
a
once I
for
thought कुछ तो mistake हुआ है. I still remember the moment मैं घर के सोफा पे बैठा था. It was what 7:30 in the morning. And I slipped down, नीचे बैठ गया कि ये कैसे हो गया? How is that? जो भी WWE Universe का reaction था, मेरा भी वैसा था. I was absolutely shocked.